Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open WPS presentation and navigate to the slide containing the image you want to edit. Click the image once to select it and show the image toolbar at the top. If you cannot see the toolbar, enable the Picture Tools tab in the View menu. Choose the Remove Background or Background Removal button on the toolbar. A purple mask appears over areas WPS intends to remove by default. We will refine that mask using mark areas to keep and mark areas to remove. Click Mark Areas to keep and draw short lines over object edges you want preserved. Click Mark Areas to remove and mark background fragments that remain inside the mask. Use the zoom slider to work at 150% when you need more precision. Press Auto to let WPS attempt an intelligent cleanup of simple backgrounds automatically. Undo mistakes with Ctrl+Z and reapply markings until the magenta mask shows only removed areas. When satisfied, click Keep Changes to finalize. To export the image with transparency, right-click the image and choose Save as Picture. Save as PNG to retain transparency and avoid backgrounds that appear with JPEG files. If you need the slide background removed entirely, apply a blank slide layout before exporting images. For complex hair or semi-transparent edges, use the freeform selection and refine with small strokes. Keep a copy of the original image on the slide to revert quickly. Practice these steps 2 to 3 times, and you will gain consistent, fast results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.